Powamoto, what are you doing?
Powamoto!
Motorcycle riding. Stunts like you've never seen before. Beautiful models.
You fake YouTubers, it's on!
And I came to rah, rah, rah.
Powamoto!
Yeah! It's a gang on Powamoto! Subscribe today! Yeah! They're about to the cops are down there, so be careful. It's a gang on Powamoto! It's for YouTube! I'm Powamoto! Alright!
There you go!
Okay, where's my kisses? Where's my kisses? More! Mucho! Yes! Yes! Thanks, bro. ZX6R. He's doing it!
On Powamoto! All right, man. Appreciate that. Appreciate that.
I'll touch you from there.
Appreciate that.
I live down here. Subscribe to Powamoto.
Just another beautiful day in paradise.
Okay, you shared something with me earlier. You need a hand?
Yes, please.
Okay, I'm gonna help you out.
Thank you very much. Powamoto.
Yeah, tell them where to subscribe.
Powamoto. Subscribe to Powamoto.
Count it.
He's the man.
Count it for him.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
Powamoto.
Thank you.
He's the man.
Subscribe today.
Subscribe today.
Great. Have a good one.
We'll get some aftermarket body parts.
Aftermarket body parts.
Give it a whole different perspective.
What's her name gonna be? Comment down below. He needs a name, family. Help him out.
Look at that. What's that made of, bro?
I believe it's nickel.
That's nickel, and this is made of stone on Powamoto.
And you know something? I'm calling on you, the biker. I'm calling on you, the moto vlogger. I'm calling on you, YouTuber, TikToker, Instagrammer, and you Facebooker as well. I'm calling on all of you, especially motorcycle enthusiasts. Unite right now. Support your Florida moto vlogger to the top.